Hey, what's up guys? This is Marciano, your vet tech, and I'm back with another video. I know I said I was going to put up more content, but the Tech Week challenge I put up for myself didn't go as planned, but I'm going to make it up to you guys. I got a lot of footage from like the days I was off, and I'll put that up, so I'll cut that together, show some shots of the lake and some wildlife, so that was kind of fun. Got back too late, the family was over, so I wasn't able to do that. But this video we're going to talk about your coughing dog and why it shouldn't be worrisome to yourself, why it's more or less contagious just to canines to each other. So we're going to talk about that, and you will have to do some social distancing with your dog, with other dogs while they are coughing, and we're going to talk about that. So kennel cough in dogs, and why is my dog coughing? With everything that's going on, people wonder if that's what's going on with their dog. Typically it's contagious upper respiratory infection, commonly known as kennel cough, and I had to write notes on it because there's a lot of information about it, but basically it's a common infectious respiratory disease. It's also known as CIRD, or infectious trichobronchitis. I may have butchered that name there, but anyway, kennel cough is an infectious bronchitis of dogs characterized by a harsh, hacking cough that most people describe as sounding like something stuck in my dog's throat. This is bronchitis, so similar to bronchitis in humans, so you can Google that to see exactly what bronchitis is. May not last long, might be mild enough not to need a treatment for it, or it may progress to a life-threatening pneumonia, which you want to avoid. So if you have older pets, they could be more at risk, so if they're coughing, you want to get them into the vet to see what's going on. Mostly infectious agents are involved when patients' immunological strength, so with their own immune system. If their immune system is bad, they're going to get a lot sicker. So exactly, younger or older dogs that are getting it, you definitely want to take them in to get them seen. They may need antibiotics, even cough suppressants, because if the cough is too strong, it's rare, but just like in humans, when they cough really strong, they could break a rib, so that's something you want to avoid in your pet. Also, let's see here from my notes. Oh yeah, commonly they usually feel normal otherwise, so they're not going to be exuding signs or symptoms like flu or anything like that where they're like down and out. That's usually when it progresses further into the life-threatening pneumonia type thing. So other than that, that's mainly what I wanted to get on here and talk about. If you guys have any questions about kennel cough, go ahead and leave that in the comments below, and we can get back to you on that in the comments. But yeah, kennel cough is one of those things that only is going to be localized to that species, so dogs are going to be able to pass it back and forth. So you do want to keep your dog home if they go to dog parks or to the dog beach and they're around other dogs or friends' houses. You want to avoid your dog becoming a spreader of kennel cough, and thus giving your friends' dogs and everyone else dogs that are around it kennel cough. So let's avoid that, and stay safe with yourself and your pet. So if your dog's coughing, don't be super worried about it, like, oh man, am I gonna get whatever my dog has, or is my dog infected with some virus that may potentially get transmitted to me. That's why this is an important thing about making sure you're getting your pets vaccinated every year. Bordetella vaccine is they give it usually in two forms. One's intranasal, and the other is usually sublingual. And then once it's given to them 24 to 48 hours, they usually generate an immune response, and within a week they're fully protected against the virus, or against the bacterial agent, should I say. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next video, and thanks for joining me. Alright, bye. One more thing, you guys, with kennel cough, it's usually not one organism that's involved. You know, in most cases, it's many organisms, so I'm just gonna jot down a list for you guys. Bordetella bronchseptica bacteria, parainfluenza virus, adenovirus type 2, canine distemper virus, canine influenza virus, canine herpes virus, very young puppies most commonly, Mycoplasma canis, sorry, I kind of messed that one up, a single-celled organism that is neither virus nor bacterium, canine retrovirus, canine respiratory coronavirus, okay, and that's canine respiratory coronavirus specifically to dogs. Okay, bye you guys.